Hello everyone, my name is Riya Shamantha. I recently completed my internship project as a financial analyst intern under the Unified Mentor Internship program. This internship was a great learning experience for me. I got to work on real data and use tools like Excel, Power BI, Python, SQL to complete my project. It really helpful for me to improve my skills and understand how real analysis works. I also learned how to manage time better and work more confidently. The mentor were very helpful and always guided me whenever I needed support. I enjoyed working on this project and learned a lot from it. I feel more confident to work in the finance and data analysis field. Thank you to the whole team for giving me this opportunity. I will surely recommend this internship to others who want to learn and grow in this field. Thank you so much.